Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are having a Sped Queen washing machine. So we are doing a cleaning, or if there is a drain problem, we are going to show how we need to solve the issue. So please have a look. So first we need to open the two screw from the bottom and then little bit slide up and pull it down to take the front panel off. So here you can see the inside part of the Sped Queen washing machine. Now we are going to take the drum. For that we need to take the agitator. So this one is little bit hard to take it out, so you just need to have a little bit of force from the bottom of the agitator. So it's easy, but you just need to pull two hands from the bottom of the agitator so that you can take it out easily. Now we are going to take the two screws at the front, I mean for the top panel, to take the top panel off of the washing machine. So you can just put it on the stand still position so that you can walk. Now we are going to take the plastic bit out to put the drum out from the washing machine to see if there is any gongs in the washing machine. So this video is useful for the not draining, and if you want to clean the drum, so you can use this video to solve the not draining problem and clean the drum. So as you can see, we took the 8 screws out from the drum bit. As I can see the position of the screws. So now you can easily take the drum out from the washing machine, and you can easily clean the gongs which you can see straight in the drum. So for us there was nothing in the drum, but normally you can see a lot of gongs on the washer and then in the drum, so you can easily clean by the general cleaning purpose if you want to clean. And you can see two holes on the thing. So one is the drain hole. If that one is blocked with the gongs, then also you will have a draining issue. So for those things you just need to find out if the drain pump is running and still the water is not draining, and also you need to find out if there is any blockage on the like connection of the drain hose under the sink or where you are draining the water. So now we are putting the water inside the drum of the washing machine. Now we are draining, or you can see a leak because when we took the washing machine a little bit from the drain hose, pipe was coming out of the sink, so that we got a leak there. So that was not a big problem, so we just stopped the function, I mean the cycle, and then we are joining the drain hose to this proper position so that we can see if the water is coming. Anyway, you can see the water is already coming out, so there is no any issue in the draining for this washing machine. So this washing machine was not spinning at all, so we found the problem was the electronic. So we are going to replace the electronic, but still we wanted to post this video and just to help you guys in cleaning or to solve the draining issue for the Sped Queen washing machine. Now this is so satisfying to watch, the spinning of the motor. Now I am going to put back the drum. So little bit cautious while putting out the drum inside the washing machine. So the hole for the screws need to be aligned properly so that there is no any disturbance while you put the screws back in. So now we are going to put the screws back in properly, and you should tighten it up properly as well. And this is our another check if the drum is screwed properly. If there is a little bit of banging noise, then you should know that this problem was because you did not put the screws tight enough. So this is all about today. So you can use this video for the solving the draining issue, and also for cleaning the drum or washer inside if you think you have an issue. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe us.